Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and install the uTorrent application on your Windows computer. So you want to download the uTorrent application in order to download the torrents of movies, games, application and many other things that you want to download, but you can't figure out how you can download and install the uTorrent application. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to download and install the uTorrent application on a Windows computer. So the first thing you want to do in order to download and install the uTorrent application is open a browser and go to uTorrent.com. The link will also be available down in the description box. Once you go to uTorrent.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here you'll have two options of uTorrent that you can download. One is the uTorrent web, which is like an extension that you can use on your web browser. The other is uTorrent Classic, which is the application program. To select what you want to download, then tap on the free download button. I'll show you how you can download the classic version, so I'll tap on the free download on the classic version. Once you tap on the free download version, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll have the options to buy the premium version as well. Now to download the free version, what you can do is tap on the basic version and tap on the download now button. Once you tap on the download now button, the download process of the installer will start. So wait for the download process to complete. So once the installer is downloaded, what you want to do is open the installer. Once you tap on yes, the install wizard will open. Now here what you want to do is tap on the next button, then tap on the next button again. Then here what you want to do is scroll down and read the terms and conditions of uTorrent, then tap on the agree button. Here you'll have the option to install the Opera browser as well. So if you want to install the Opera browser, what you want to do is tap on the next button. But if you don't want to install the Opera browser, what you want to do is uncheck this install Opera browser button option. Once you do that, tap next. Here you'll also be asked whether you want to download the Spy Hunter as well. So do the same thing, tap next or uncheck the box, then tap next again. Then here you'll have the option to create a start menu entry, to create a quick launch icon and create a desktop icon. If you want to do that, leave these boxes checked. If you don't want those, uncheck these boxes, then tap next. Once you tap on next, I'll suggest you to not do anything here, then tap on next again. Once you tap on the next button, the installation process will begin, and it does not take very long. As you can see, the installation process was just few seconds. So once the installation process is complete, if you want to directly launch the uTorrent application, check this box. If you don't want to uncheck this box, then tap on finish. As you can see, the uTorrent application is downloaded and installed in my Windows computer. So those were the simple steps in order to download the uTorrent application on a Windows and computer. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.